Hello students, I am Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I have very interesting topic for class 5 and that is sentence. Today we discuss about a sentence. Means what is a sentence? What is the formation of a sentence? What we do to make a sentence? Okay? So students, you know that in our day-to-day life, while speaking something, while writing something, we need a sentence. Okay? A sentence is a combination of some words, some selected words. We write those words in such a way that it gives some meaning, by which the listener or the reader can understand. Okay. So this topic is going to be very interesting, and I am going to explain you in a very easy way. So I hope you like this video. Now let's start. Students, in earlier classes you have read that a group of words which gives some meaning is called a sentence. Here we talk about the same thing. What is a sentence? First of all, here I have written some words. Now try to read these words and try to understand the meaning. Here is written, is my David name. 4 words are there. Next, you my are friend best. Some words are written here also. But after reading these words, we are not able to understand the meaning. It means this is not a sentence. Okay, now see. Some words are written in front of these words. My name is David. You are my best friend. My name is David. This is a sentence. Why? Because the words used in this sentence are kept on their right place. Every word has their place value. It means every word is having their own place, which gives the proper meaning. Next one, you are my best friend. You are my best friend means someone is someone's best friend. This is a sentence because this sentence is also giving some meaning. Understood? So the definition is, a sentence is a group of words which is arranged in a proper order that gives some meaning. Means we have lots of words. Whenever we want to write something, whenever we want to say something, we use some selected words and arranged in such a way which give a sense, which give some meaning. That called sentence. For example, he is studying in class 5th. He is studying in class 5th. There are some words, they are written in a arranged way, in a proper way, which gives some meaning. Next one, Seetal likes dancing. Means Seetal is a girl who like dancing, who love dancing. So this is also a sentence. Understood? Now, some important thing you should learn about a sentence and you should know about a sentence. These are written in a box. Number 1 is always a sentence starts with capital letter. Students, I have seen sometimes most of the students, they make mistakes. They start a sentence with a small letter. It is wrong. Whenever your English teacher will check your copy, that sentence is going to be wrong. So, never start a sentence with small letter. Remember it. Start every sentence with capital letter. Okay? Next thing is, a sentence ends with full stop, or if the sentence is interrogative, then it stops with question mark. Okay? Next, number 3, proper noun is always written in capital letter. It is also important. So, it is very important to understand proper noun. In our next session, I will explain about proper noun, what is proper noun. But first of all, let us know that how to write proper noun in capital letter in a sentence. Whenever you are writing any sentence, you are using some name, any name. Suppose you are saying, his name is Mohan. His name is Mohan. Here, his name is Mohan. Mohan is the name of a person. This is proper noun. So, the first letter of the proper noun, M, must be written in capital letter. It is very important. Sometimes students ignore it. It is very important to write in capital letter. Okay. Now, in this topic, we explain one more thing. I am explaining you one more thing, and that is phrase. What is phrase? Definition written here. Phrase is a group of words which gives indication but does not give complete sense. Phrase is also a group of words, but it never gives complete meaning. Means it gives you some meaning. Something he is telling. The meaning is not clear, but something you can know about it. Example, in the jungle, on the way, under the table. With the help of these examples, you can understand only something, not completely. So, these are called phrase. But when we use these phrases in a sentence, then definitely you will understand about this thing. Means what is written here? Elephant lives in the jungle. Now, in the jungle, it gives us a clear meaning by the help of the sentence elephant lives in the jungle. Means someone asks who lives in jungle, then we give answer the elephant. It means this is complete sentence, and it is giving us complete sense also. And in the jungle, this is a small part of sentence, so it is not giving a clear meaning. Same way, on the way. I found a purse on the way. This sentence gives us the complete meaning of on the way. On the way gives us some meaning, not complete. But the sentence gives us the complete meaning. Okay, students? Now, this chapter has been over. I suppose you have understood everything. Whatever you have listened, whatever I have told you, you will write your comment. You will write your comments in the comment box. If you have liked this video, so you will write your comments. It is very important. You will write your feedback. You will write your comments in the comment box. Understood? So, by this, I take a leave. Thank you. Have a nice day.